this one. One, hey, what? It's bigger than your dad's whole cart.
That one's sure to win a prize. But how will you sell it, Whisker? That's the problem, Mr. Oates. No one can afford a pumpkin this size just for Halloween decor.
This is the best cider in the county.
It really is. I'm so glad we decided to visit this year.
Gotcha!
You finally got me!
Tom, if we reroute the energy from the swing, we could power the entire festival. If we don't sell it, it will spoil by winter. What a waste!
Maybe we could cut it into small pieces and sell them?
That would take weeks, son. The pumpkin flesh would spoil before we could sell it all.
I have an idea. If we can't sell it raw, we'll sell it as a finished product.
Calling Dr. Agri.
Aha! Lily, how's the harvest? Invented anything new yet?
We have a giant pumpkin, but we can't sell it. We need a miracle.
A miracle? I like it. What's your idea?
I was thinking, Howie, if we could make something warm, like pies or soup.
Or bottled pumpkin juice? I could make a conveyor belt.
Not special enough. It has to be something Fall Fest tourists would pay good money for. Ice cream! Pumpkin ice cream!
Brilliant! Pumpkin spice ice cream. But how do we process tons of this pumpkin and make ice cream from fresh pumpkin? That's where the Agri Morph comes in. Special autumn edition. Input, raw pumpkin. Output, 100% organic, biorestructured, fresh ice cream.
It uses bioplasma energy to cook and freeze instantly, right?
Precisely. I'll send the machine right away. Prepare your storage facility.
Well, that's it. No turning back now.
Are you scared, Dad? A little, but mostly I'm excited.
Tom, clear out the storage. Purry, prepare the cinnamon recipe. Lily, design the labels.
Careful with this one, Lily. It's the brightest yet. Don't worry, Mom. We did it!
I've brought the goods. Heavier than I thought. Now, my darling, show them the power of autumn. Well, now, would you look at that?
Whoa, it's amazing!
I can't believe it actually fit inside the machine.
Well, now, folks, that's the magic of the harvest, isn't it?
It's like autumn melting.
That's science, granddaughter. Science and nature combined.
Yes! It works! Look at that precision!
Here you go, the magical pumpkin special.
Oh, thank you, son. It looks wonderful.
Tastes better than cotton candy.
Announcement!
The Whisker Cat family's pumpkin ice cream is completely sold out of the first batch.
We'll be back in 5 minutes. This is the best fall festival ever!
I know. I can almost taste the pumpkin spice.
Look, we're next in line.
Use the profits wisely.
Should do it. Nicely secured. Well done, Whiskers.
Yay! The slide is open!
See how the kinetic energy translates? It's almost a perfect loop.
I'm sketching the schematics now.
Sometimes a small idea can build a whole big playground. See you next apple season.